Hello beer peeps, it's Glandy Ballhander with another beer review. Today we are going to review His Cuteness Will Cut You to Pieces Bunny with a Chainsaw. Ah! Double dry hopped hazy IPA, 8.2% alcohol by volume, 1 pint. I believe this is out of Glendale by Paperback Brewing. But look at this guy. Isn't he adorable? Until he cuts your head off. Dun dun dun. Anyway, Ron, aka the Wolf, got this for me because he just knew I needed to have Bunny with a Chainsaw. So let's try it, shall we? Very nice hazy color, kind of a golden straw. Dig the color. I'm going with the foam because I'm just anxious to read more about this if there's anything on here. But it's only the government warning, and also what you can get if you recycle, which is a good idea for the environment. I know it's made with a variety of hops, including I think Citra and Mosaic. But let's try it, shall we? Try it. Oh, it's got a really good flavor to it. Not as citrusy as many of the hazies that I've tried. Not the pineapple-y ones that I've had so often recently as well, which is probably good. A lot of them are starting to get too tropical at times. It's almost got an apricot feel to it. Really nice stone fruits. That's what I'm getting from this more than anything else, is the stone fruit, which a lot of the hazies are more on the passion fruit side. I like the fact that this is stone fruit. Let's try it one more time. Cheers. This is a good one. Bought it again, the Wolf, as a lark, because you can't resist a beer called Bunny with a Chainsaw. But I will say, flavor-wise, it hits every note. Highly recommend it. Go out and get it. I'm going to give this 2 ball hands up. Enjoy.